Right, this job, what we're doing is this gate, very stiff to close. We've got to cut back all the bushes, try and get it working. So also, I'm going to trim it down the edge so it shuts properly. So first of all, we're going to trim all these back so that's not pushing on it, causing it to collapse. Let's go. That's our hedge trimmer. Painting over every scar, turning tragic into art. Feels like magic, just like magic. Next job, we're just going to adjust this hinge a bit. With a little bit of play in this. Right, we've got it, so it's closing now. But we want to leave a bit of a gap between the frame and the door, so when it swells up again, it isn't going to get jammed again. So we've got all the bushes trimmed back now. Now we're going to set this back in because it wasn't really set back into the wood. So Abby's going to chisel that out now. Set that in. While Abby's knocking that bit out, I'm just going to trim a little bit off the edge of the gate there so it don't catch. I'm going to use the circular saw for that. Right, so we've trimmed either side off there now. Now what, Harvey? Can you give it a sand down? And then I'm just going to grab the nail gun now. Nail these panels back on because they're all loose, and then tidy up, and we're done. Last job now, we're just going to put some nails in it. That goes on the gate as well. Right guys, that's this job done now. Fully working gate now. Works. Trimmed all that back. Adjusted the hinges on it, trimmed it down. Closes perfect now. It's old gate, but that should keep it going for a good few more years.